guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I know it's a hell long time since I have filmed any tutorial. So today I'm planning to film an eyebrow tutorial. So I know this is something that people request a lot and people are so much concerned about. So I thought, why not just do an eyebrow tutorial. You can see the condition of my eyebrows right now. So I'm quickly gonna do the eyebrow and I'm gonna tell you guys everything, all the products and everything. Ignore my scarf today. It is a little weird because I wanted to show my eyebrows completely. So that's why it's a little weird. Now without any further ado, let's just jump right in and let's get started. Okay, so for your eyebrows, a few key points I want to tell you. Make sure that your eyebrow color, like any product that you're using, totally matches your hair color. Not entire hair, but this part, which is like on your, the roots, the part that touches your forehead, your eyebrows must match that color. And the other key point is that both the eyebrows, usually what happens, naturally the eyebrows do not look equally same. So what you need to do is, do not worry. Firstly, do not worry. Try your best to make them look like sisters, not twins, sisters, okay? Because naturally and also with makeup, you cannot not make exact eyebrows on both the sides. Any professional, anyone, eyebrows can never be exactly same, never ever. Now let's start, and the very first thing that I like to do is use a spoolie. Okay, now this is actually an eyebrow brush that I use. I use this brush and the spoolie. This was straight. I had like turned it a little. This just gives you more, it's just more handy. So the brush I'm using is from Morphe MB29. You can use any brush. Make sure for this one, make sure the tip is fine and thin. And for the spoolie, make sure it's strong, not very loose and very bad quality, so that you can brush your hair well and the brush stays, with you for a much longer time. If it's very low quality, if the spoolie is very loose, it will give you hard time brushing your brows and also will break or will stop working in a very short time, like whatever. I am back on YouTube after a very long time, so please, I'm sorry. So babies, this is the first thing that we are doing. Now what happens with my brows, this one's thinner, this one's thicker. Usually what I do is I brush it down. I brush this one downwards and this one upwards, so that I can equivalence the thickness of both of them, okay? Because this eyebrow is very healthy and nice shape. This one gives me hard time. So I'm just gonna do this one like on camera, and this I'll do off camera. So usually we brush them upwards, but in my case I have to brush this one downwards. So yeah, first thing that I like to take, okay, I have a few different styles of doing my eyebrows. This is one that I'm sharing with you. The best eyebrow kit that I've ever discovered. For the pencils, Anastasia and Benefit are really good. NYX is also really good. But you guys, in the pencil, I love the Benefit the best. And but I don't have one right now because it's finished. Like, I do have it, but it's finished. So I'm gonna use NYX, and I really like that too. I'm gonna use the shade called Ash Brown. That matches me quite well. You know what the best part about being in hijabi is you don't have to exactly use the same color as your hair, because your hair are not showing up, they are hidden. So you can use anything, but this one matches me, I know that. So what I like to take is a pencil first to kind of draw the shape a little bit, and then I like to go with a kit that has brow powders and gel. Now I use the gel in these kits as well, and I also like to use tinted and clear gels by Anastasia and Benefit. This one is like a very quicker and natural look that I do like for a daily basis. This one is a snatched eyebrow that I'll be doing in front of you. So I like to use the thick gels for that. And my favorite kit till now, I have the Benefit one as well. The Benefit one just doesn't have any gel. This is the Sephora brow kit. Here you go. And this one is awesome. It's very dirty. It comes with these 3 tools as well, which is an angled brush, a mini spoolie, and a tweezer. I don't use any of these because they're too tiny to hold in my hand. My hands are thick AF, sorry. My hands are very fat. I can hold them at least I can't. So, but they're nice. If they're handy for you, you can do that. And if you don't want to get expensive brow kit, Sephora brow kit might be expensive for so many of you out there. So the best dupe for this one is the Luscious Brow Luxe Toolkit. if that's the name, I don't know, but you know what product I'm talking about. I'm gonna link down Luscious brow kit ka link down in the description box so that you guys can check it and get your hands on it, because that product is exactly similar. I would say 90% similar to this one. Okay, so the first thing is the pencil, as I said. Okay, the first thing was actually brushing with the spoolie. Once you're done with that, just take out oopsies, a very tiny bit of this pencil, not a lot, okay, otherwise you might break it. What I like to do is I like to go first draw the down part, and I will make sure that I thinner this out and thicker this out so that I can match the thickness of both of them. Okay, so you can see I'm going very short strokes, not like this these strokes. Like, let me tell you, we won't go like this, we'll go like this is the right stroke. Okay, do you want me to zoom in? Okay, let me just bring this closer for you guys to see well. So you can see I've done, like, you know, drawn this line. This will help me fill my brows well, and with this I'm gonna stay a little down than the natural line, and I'm gonna conceal the natural one because I want this one to look thinner, right? This is a very high arch too. You will feel that I'm staying in my natural line because I've done it, right? Before I've done it, I can, like, I don't know if you can, but you see a few hairs up, you know, on top of this line as well. Since I've done the line, you guys will feel that I am staying with my natural, you know, natural line, but it is actually the artificial one. Once you're done with the pencil, you will never be able to see the fake line until you clearly see it, like, in the mirror. I have not done my brows, like, properly. They're not properly clean. I actually don't get them shaped. I do get them clean from the center and, you know, the extras here and there, but I have not got them clean, but they're not too bad to handle. Okay, naturally I do have quite a better shape, like, you know, they aren't very messy like usually girls have. If you don't get your eyebrows shaved, usually brows get very messy. Mine do not get really messy. They are just a little messy. So you can see I'm done with the shape, and now at this stage I'm just gonna go and what I like to do is I like to take the brow powder along with the wax. This wax or gel, whatever, finishes so quickly. You can see this is my second Sephora kit. And the gel in this one has finished totally. The powders are still left. So, and the gel in this one, we have a little bit left. Okay, now I'm gonna just fill them in, and you can see कि मैंने जो आउटलाइन बनाई है आईब्रो की, उसमें मैंने ये अंदर वाला पार्ट नहीं लिया, मैंने यहाँ से लेना स्टार्ट किया. I want this to look a little unfilled. That's what's gonna give you the natural effect of the brows. अगर मैं इसको ऐसे बिल्कुल harsh कर लूँ, usually लोग कर लेते हैं. It's your own personal choice. I don't like it this way. If you like, you know, very snatched, very sharp brows, from here as well, you can fill this straight up, you know, that's, to me, it looks a little tattooy, but if you like that, you can do that. Okay. Now, with short strokes, you can see I'm filling my brows in. Make sure you move, you give the strokes like your hairs are, you know, going in the direction of your hair growth. Give your strokes in the direction of your hair growth. That's what I wanted to say. Okay? And then here, I'm gonna hold my spool, eyebrow brush upside down and kind of make these fake hair strokes. And then like this, to just give them more volume. All this mess will be cleaned once we clean them with the concealer, so don't worry about that. Now this one is wax and eyeshadow mixed together. Then I take the part of this spoolie and kind of blend it so that it's blended, and then go with a lighter powder, very little bit on the spoolie, and just does that all over so that it sets and doesn't move for 2 days if you don't wash it. You get that? And then if you feel any kind of more filling, you can just go with the brush. It already has some products, so you can fill it in. Now we are gonna conceal them. I hope you guys can see it. I don't know why I can't see it properly. So once you're done doing this, once we can conceal and clean the outer parts, it will be all good, so don't worry. Okay, I'm just taking a clean spoolie to blend this all together nicely. I don't like very sharp brows, so that's why I like to clean them a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna take a concealer. You can take any concealer that you like. This concealer from NARS, this is the mini one. I have a full-size one too. I like to use this mini for my brows, and it's almost finished, so I'll just dig in and I'll deposit a little bit of product first with the brush, and then I will just go with like a brush and kind of clean the edges out. My favorite brush to clean my brows has to be this one from Morphe, M432. This is my favorite brush. You can see the highlight of this. This is my favorite brush to clean my brows. Its dip is super good. Makes it much easier, quicker, and very clean and nice. You won't see very harsh difference because with the concealer, because I have done my eyeshadow base. अगर eyeshadow base ना किया हुआ था तो आपको ज़्यादा difference दिखता. Okay. And now, I hope you guys can see, and I'm not blocking the camera. Okay. Just pulling it a little up so that I can clean it well. Monceret Misbah recently came out with a brow palette everyone was asking me about, that if it's nice or what. I don't know, I've not used it. Okay, I just felt that I went a little over here with the concealer, so I'm just going back with my angled brush and kind of just snatching that out. And whatever is left on the brush, I like to go and put that here. Okay, so that is about the brows. One last step is left, and the last thing that I want to do is the Sephora Brow Illuminator Brow Enhancer Pencil. This one comes in Benefit as well. I love this much a lot. I love this a lot, and I like to use it in my waterline as well. Sometimes on my nose highlight as well. If I'm wearing a niqab, quickly want to just highlight, I can do that. So this will actually enhance the brows. I like to do my brow highlighting with it as well. This will literally enhance your brows. This is an extra step. I don't usually do this a lot, but if you want, you can do it. If you like very snatched brows, you will love this. And with the concealer brush, so that I can diffuse this a little because it's a lot, I will go and blend it with my concealer brush so that this diffuses like 50% of this. And we still have the shine to enhance, which is enhancing the entire brow, right? You can go pack it on with a beauty blender. You can see the brow. So I'll just show you guys. Okay guys, so yes, we are done with the other brow as well, and you can see clearly that they're not 100% same, and that is perfectly fine. So guys, do you see that highlight? This one really enhances the brows. All of you out there who really like very snatched brows, I do like it this way, but I just feel it's an extra step, so I don't do it usually because all the time I'm just running out of time. But I do what I like to do is, instead, like if you don't want to do 2 steps, or if you don't want to buy a enhancer pencil, what you need to do is take a lighter concealer and a little bit of shimmer in it maybe, or you know, just kind of take very light-handedly, go and use your highlighter to highlight it, and that's gonna work as same as this one. So you don't need to have a, you know, you don't like, it's not a must to have these pencils. In case you want, I really love the Sephora one, and I know that Benefit also has this one. Other than that, I don't know like all the other brands jinke paas ye available hogi. You can check it on Sephora, on Google, anywhere. And yeah, that is it for the eyebrows. I hope you guys like them, and I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. And I'm gonna link all the products that I've used down below in the description box, and I'm gonna give you the links of the products that how you can get them. Plus, lastly, what else? Yeah, that is it. Yes. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Comment below what you liked about this video, how you find it helpful, and what you want me to do next on YouTube. Make sure you bring me as many subscribers as you can, because I really want to reach a good amount of people to go and upload videos on a regular basis. For now, I'll just like upload 1 or 2 videos per month because, you know, I have really less subscribers, and you know, uploading so many videos does not make any sense. So till we get to a good bunch of people on my subscribe list in our glam fam, then when we'll be uploading weekly. For now, I'll just see whenever I get time, I'm gonna upload. But still, don't forget to put all the requests of all the videos that you want me to do in the comments down below. You can DM me on Instagram, Snapchat, anywhere. All the handles are down there. And also follow me on all of my social handles and my Instagram and everywhere, okay? So that is pretty much it. What else? Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're new here, hi, hello, I'm hajra.vadhariya. Subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video and be a part of the glam squad. Okay, so that is it about it. I will catch you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.